These are the kind of problems that you also need to know for the exams. Solve problems about consecutive integers. When we talk about the consecutive integers, you're looking at problem 1, 2, 3, 4. These are consecutive integers. If I let the first number here be equal to x, what would be the next number in terms of x? Is it y? In terms of x. X plus 1. The next number would be x plus 1. So the difference between two consecutive numbers is 1 unit. What is the next one in terms of x? X plus 2. Very good. So when we talk about the consecutive integers, if the first number is x, the next number would be x plus 1. The next number would be x plus 2, and so on. Let's take a look at this problem here. Find 3 consecutive integers such that the sum of the first and the third is 49 less than 3 times the second one. So we have 3 consecutive integers. The first one we're going to call it x. The second one we call it x plus 1. The third one we're going to call it x plus 2. These are assumptions. It says the sum of the first and the third, this is the first, this is the third. The sum of these two will be x plus x plus 2. X plus x plus 2. The sum of the first one and the third one, so this is the first one and this is the third one, is equal to 49 less than, so I'm going to do 49 less than something. 49 less than what? Less than 3 times the second one. The second one is this one. 3 times the second one. This is how you set up the equation. So here we have 3 times the second one minus 49 is equal to sum of the first one and the third one. So that's my formula. The rest is pretty simple. You just add the like terms, solve for equation, and get 48. So 48 is the first one. So the first one is 48. The next one would be one more than that, which is 49. The next one would be 50. Solving a linear equation involving consecutive integers. 3 times the sum of 2 consecutive odd integers is 516. Well, let's understand what consecutive odd integers are. Okay, if I have 1, 3, 5, 7, these are consecutive odd integers. If the first one is x, what's the next one after that? In terms of x, what would be the next number? Anyway, x plus 2, because the difference between 2 consecutive odd integers is 2. So if the first one is x, the next one would be x plus 2. The next one actually would be x plus 4, and so on. So if the first number here is x, the next one must be x plus 2. Here it says 3 times the sum of 2 consecutive odd integers. The sum of 2 consecutive odd integers would be x plus x plus 2. That would be the sum of 2 consecutive odd integers. 3 times that, so I will write 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 516. So this will be my equation. To solve for this, I can combine like terms and distribute the 3 and isolate x. X would be equal to 85. If the first number is 85, the next one would be 2 more than that, it would be 87.